Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botner. I invite you to another C# Windows Form application tutorial. In this tutorial, I intend to show you how you can change a console application to Windows Form application in C#. I'm going to create a new project. Click on this option, create a new project. Here, write in this searching box console, and the console app project will came up. Select this one where you have inside the parentheses .NET Framework, and after click next. And here I'm going to leave the default name for project name. Here for solution, I'm going to add underline and SN, meaning this is the solution file. Yeah. If you want to place the solution in the same folder with the project, click this box. If not, leave it unchecked as it is. Press create. Okay, so this name of the project exists in my computer, so I'm gonna to change it like 02 and here 02 and press create. Here you go. So this is a console application. As you can see, we've got this file program.cs is the file used to code in a console application. This is the content of the file. So you will write the code inside here of this main method, void main method. Let's release this application. Yeah. Here you go. So the console was released. All is fine. No errors. Let's close this and let's see how we can change this console application to a Windows Form application. Select the project, right click, and here select add and Windows Form. I'm gonna to name this like demo form app. Yeah, and click add. And here you go. We have the form file and the design for our Windows Form application, as you can see. Yeah, so let's resize this form. Here is the file which is used to code in Windows Form application. If you want to see the content of the file, the code, right click on this file and press view code. Here you go. So inside this file you will code in your Windows Form application. Yeah. So let's release again this application. Here you go. Again, the application launch the console and not the form as I want. So that means we have to do more settings that this application to become a Windows Form application. Even we have in this moment the file for Windows Form application. We've got the class, as you can see, which is used for Windows Form application, we have the directive here, as you can see, using system.windows.forms, the class with this name, demo form app, yeah, inside this file, demo form app.cs. Even we have all these, as you have seen, we can't release the form. It was released just a console. Let's do it again. So here you go. As you can see, it was released only the console and not the form. And we don't want this. We want this application to release the form, and we want to make an application in a Windows Form app. What we have to do further? Let's go here again and select the project, right click, and select properties. This window will be open, and here, where is this output type, change console application to Windows application. So let's close this and let's release again this app. It wasn't released anything, either the console and the form. So now actually we haven't received anything, neither the form or the console. So what we have to do further? I go here inside this file, program.cs, which is used to code in console application. And what we have to do is to write a statement which will run our form, which will create a new instance for our class which contain our form. So I'm gonna go to the file which is related to our form. It's about this demo form app.cs. Yeah. So this is the class, yeah, with this name, demo form app, which is needed to be run. It's needed to create a new instance for this class inside this file. How I'm going to do that? I'm going to use this class application dot but I received the errors. As you can see, always when you receive this bulb with this red icon, means something is wrong, there is error. And also if you receive this red curly line, means you have errors. So let's press this arrow next to the bulb, yellow bulb, and Visual Studio will show us the suggestions. So this is the problem. We don't have on the top of this file this directive using system.windows.forms. So select this. Yeah, now the directive which we need is placed here on the top of this file. Yeah. Now I can use this method run, which will create a new instance and will run our form. To create a new instance for the class related to our form, I should write this keyword new and the name of the class of this class, yeah, demo form app. Demo form app. Parentheses. Here you go, and semicolon. Now our form will be released. Yeah. So let's release our form. here you go. Our form was released, as you can see. Now you can start to code in Windows Form application. Your console application was changed to a Windows Form application, and you can go on this tab where is written this text design inside these square brackets. Click on it and you will see your form, your design, and you can place on this form controls, and you can start to code inside this file demo form app.cs. Yeah, and you can do application in Windows Form application. That was all about to change a console application to Windows Form application. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other tutorials and to watch my next video tutorials related to this C# Windows Form application. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.